How you doing? My name is Matt. I own Meredith Auto Clinic in Lady Lake, Florida. Creating this channel to try and help people do how-to videos, learn a little bit. Through the years, I've noticed that a lot of people don't have anyone to show them how to do basic stuff on a vehicle. Change a tire, put air in a tire, change oil, normal things that everybody should know and should know how to do. Just kind of something I want to try and show and teach everybody, and hope you'll follow along and enjoy the channel. Good morning. We're working on a 31 Chevy two-door coupe today. Going to do an idler arm on it. Follow along.